Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And math problems mo tuturo ko sa inyo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas. So, let's solve and analyze this one. Number 1, 124 is 25% of what number? Okay, bago natin sagutan yan, sa lahat pa rin po naghanap po ng civil service exam reviewer, meron po kami for only 50 pesos. Just message us on our Facebook page, yung link po ay nasa bio. Okay, pag may nakita kayong ganitong problem, ay ilagay po ninyo into equation para mas madali po ninyong sagutan. So, 124, the word is, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay equal sign. 25%. Take note of this. Pag sinabing percentage per 100, so itong 25%, pwede nyo po siyang gawing 1/4. Kasi ang 1/4 ay equal to 25%. Pag 50%, 1/2. Pag 75%, 3/4. Okay. So next, of, meaning multiplication yan. Pag nakita po ninyo yung word na of, multiplication yan. And what number? Ito po yung hinahanap. Let n para doon sa hinahanap. So, ito na po yung equation natin. 124 is equal to 1/4 times n. Since ang hinahanap po natin ay itong n, okay, i-isolate po natin yan. Ilipat po natin itong 1/4 dito sa kabila para maiwan lang po itong n. So, 124, since multiplication dito, itong 1/4, pag nilipat mo, magiging division na. Divided by 1/4 is equal to n. Now, sa equation po natin, division of fraction. Pag division of fraction, kunin po ninyo yung reciprocal nitong 1/4. At itong division ay magiging multiplication. So, 124 division maging multiplication times reciprocal ng 1/4 is 4/1 is equal to n. So, dito, 124 times 4 is equal to n. So, multiply natin 124 times 4 is 16. 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 496 is equal to n. Therefore, the answer is letter D. Okay, I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!